Of course, someone starts a chainsaw while I'm filming. Nom nom nom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review on a Gradual tan product. This is from Zuii Organic and it is their certified organic Flora Gradual Tan Body Lotion. Now, if you haven't heard of Zuii before, they are an Australian brand. This product is made in Australia and a lot of their products are florally based. I don't even know if that's a word, but yeah, they do have a lot of sort of plant ingredients in their products. They're certified organic. This particular product is vegan. I have used Zuii Organic products previously, mainly their lip products. I love their lipsticks. They have beautiful lipsticks, and one of my favorite lipsticks of all time is their color Sheer Peach. I haven't really tried a lot of their makeup sort of products recently, but they seem to be developing some pretty cool new products. So the brand is worth a look at overall. So this video is going to be pretty quick today because I think when it comes to tan, you really only want to know, does it work? Does it smell? And how it wears off, how quickly it develops. So it's going to be pretty short and sweet. Okay, so this is 250 ml and it's $27.50, which I think is really well priced, to be honest. They also have, I'll just quickly let you know because they do have a few different products in their new tanning range. They have a Gradual Tan face water. They also have a face tan lotion. They have a dry oil tan extender. That's interesting. I never even knew that existed. And then they also have a tanning foam, and they have that in dark, ultra dark, medium and light. So that's pretty cool that they have different shades for different skin tones. There's not a lot of tans that have that range that I've seen. I know that there's sometimes like light and dark, but they've got light, medium, dark and ultra dark. So that's kind of cool. I really like this bottle. I think it is really nice packaging, good quality, and it's a pump bottle, which is great because less mess. So it says, Zuii Gradual Tan can be used in place of regular moisturizer, making it perfect to keep your skin hydrated while delivering a gradual golden tan. Gradual Tan is colorless but contains active tanning ingredients that could leave color on your hands. Wash hands as soon as possible. Obviously, it does not contain a sunscreen, so you need to make sure when you are tanning that you are still wearing sunscreen as well. In terms of the ingredients, there's quite a few, and there's a lot of plant-based ingredients. So bamboo juice, calendula flower extract, sunflower seed oil, cacao seed butter, grapefruit, lemon peel, bergamot fruit oil, vanilla. So it's super clean. It's got 92% organic of a total 99.6 natural percentage of total ingredients. So that's pretty good, and it's vegan. So the applicator is easy to use, it's clean to use. In terms of application, I still like to use a tanning mitt because you can't see it and it doesn't develop straight away. It is kind of hard to know where you've put it, and if you're kind of in that moment where you're feeling really secure and you're like, you know, this is just a moisturizer, I'm just going to be messy with it, it's probably going to end up pretty bad on your skin. So that's why I like to still take a bit of care. And a tip that I have with all tanning is elbows, knees, hands and feet. I always put a little bit of moisturizer on those areas before I tan, regardless if it's a mousse and a strong tan or just a gradual tanner. I just find it gives you that buffer and it gives you a more natural finish because you don't end up with super brown or orange elbows, knees or areas where it can cling to. It just gives you that barrier there. It is very easy to apply. It's a nice silky moisturizer. It doesn't absorb too quickly, so you have got a little bit of time to kind of rub it in properly and make sure that you're getting an even finish. So even though this is a gradual tan, I still prefer to put this on at night because it does still have a slight tan scent to it. Nowhere near as bad as some of the mainstream products that I've used, but I'm yet to find a tanning product, whether it's Gradual, whether it's natural or not. I am yet to find a product that has zero tanning smell. If you do ever find one, please let me know. I still like to use this through the night, so I can wash it off in the morning and feel like I don't have anything developing on my skin through the day. Once I have showered, there is no tan smell. It just feels like I've moisturized my skin the night before. It does leave my skin feeling really nice and hydrated as well, which is the other benefit to using a Gradual tanner, but in particular a natural one, because you will be delivering some nice natural benefits to your skin on top of it developing a tan for you, which is why I love natural products, because they actually benefit your skin at the same time. So in terms of the time to develop, I have worn this a couple of times through the day when I have not been going anywhere or doing anything, and I found putting it on in the morning still gave me a little bit of a tint and some glow and made me look a little bit more alive by the time I went out at night. So it's still worth applying in the morning. If you are going to an event and you have nothing else, it will still give you something to make you feel like you've just been given a little boost, like your skin's been given that glow. So I decided to apply this daily until I was happy with the, you know, level of color. The color is really nice, it's really natural, but I found by day 3 I was like, I think that's enough now, because I was going to get too much of a build up after the 3rd day. And also I think you risk maybe going into the orange arena after that sort of 3rd day. It looked really nice and natural. I didn't find the product to be orange at all, but I think regardless of how good a product is, if you apply too much of it, naturally you are going to start to look a little unnatural. So 3 days was perfect for me. I will insert some before and after shots here of day 1, day 2, day 3, and you can see that it's made quite a difference, but it still looks natural without looking orange, and it's just giving me a really nice healthy glow as well. And in terms of wear off time, the best thing is I actually didn't notice it wearing off. I felt like it gradually came off as well. There was no patchiness, and yeah, I sort of didn't really notice it was gone until I looked in the mirror the other day, because we've had no sun here, and I thought, God, I look white at the moment, but it's been quite some time since I've applied this. So I think that's always a good thing when you can't notice something straight away. You're not like, wake up in the morning and you've got this massive tan patch missing from your leg. So I was really impressed with how evenly it applied and also how evenly it wore off. So something like this, I wouldn't suggest using this every single day, like, you know, for 2 weeks straight. It's something that I would initially, you know, use for a few days, give yourself a hit of color, let it wear for a few days, maybe top it up on the weekend, or just top it up, you know, 1 to 2 times a week after you've started applying it. Overall, I was really happy with the packaging, the price, the ingredients, and you can see the proof in the images. It definitely works, and it gives a nice even coverage, even color, even wear off, and the smell isn't too bad. So I really do hope you found this video helpful today. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss out on future reviews. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching as always. I really appreciate your support, your comments, your likes, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Oh, 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 oh.